before that inlet lift station.
And these are different sources.
This is different. This is from the drain. The drain coming from mainly from the sludge holding tank, the supertenant, from the sludge dewatering system, from domestic drain, from the admin buildings. So this is a minor drain. Okay, so it's coming here to this first stage. We have here basket screen. This is the lift station.
This is N+1.
Yeah,
one standby.
One standby. Submersible pump.
Then the distribution chamber, right?
Yeah, this is the this is the three source that we discussed. So 1, 2, 3.
That is going here to
we have duty standby going to the headwork units. This is the one. One duty, one
standby, correct?
This is the equalization. This is the three sets of the pumps that we discussed for phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. So, and this is the right and the left. This is two compartments of that. Come down, this. Yeah. Here in the right and left, this is the balancing tank 1, balancing tank 2.
Yeah.
And you can see in the top, there is one distribution chambers. Yeah. And here you have two fill stock. You can see. Yeah.
One is coming here, one is coming there.
Yeah. This is the one.
Yeah. So these are the inlet.
Yeah.
This is distributed into. Yeah. Yeah. So this is one side, this is another side.
Yeah. And you have in the downstreams, you have fill stock. In the downstreams, you have fill stock here.
Yeah.
And down. So that one, it's always open. So if you want to isolate, you have to close this outlet and the inlet at the chamber.
Okay.
Of course, he put the note, red color, that's why. No, because he added.
Yeah. Okay, now Ahmed. Pump A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Yes.
So what is the configuration? N+1 or N+2?
Yeah, N-1. Now we have 3 pumps for phase 3, which is A, B, C, I think. If
yeah. And this for D, E, F.
Yeah, for phase 1 and phase 2. We have 2 pumps, 2 pumps. One duty, one standby.
So that means we have standby. If some pump is running and if there is some problem, so you can start the standby pump.
Exactly.
Very good. Okay, so
also we have here air jet pump also.
Yeah.
Also, this is for the injection. So we have also duty standby.
So this is the scope of node 1. I agree with Imran to consider the sampling system in the node 1. So I have added the sampling system here and we'll cover this also. So guys, now node 1 is clear. So thank you, Ahmed. So you can pull your share front or you can come here, please.